Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix can't delete apps on iPhone. Uh, you may want to delete the app, but you cannot see the delete button. And I'm going to show you what I mean. For example, I want to delete YouTube. I'm just going to click remove. And as you can see, there's a delete app button. But you may not have it, and this is because of your settings. So what you want to do is go to your settings. After that, you're going to go screen time. Content and privacy restrictions, and then you're going to choose iTunes and App Store purchases. And after that, choose deleting apps. And as you can see, I chose allow. And you may see that this is don't allow button at your phone. So make sure to click allow. You can also require a password if you want to delete applications or make purchases. But basically, yeah, if when you will do this, you can delete the applications after this. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.